In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GIFs in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to bring GIFs into a project, enhance them with animated stickers and text, convert a video into a GIF, and export your final design with the right settings. Let's start by bringing a GIF into your project. With your canvas open, go to the Add Media button and upload your GIF file. Before you do, it's worth checking size and resolution so everything runs smoothly. For web projects, GIFs should be 1080 pixels or smaller on the longest side, and 10 megabytes or less. Also keep in mind the per-scene limits. On web, you can place up to 7 GIFs in a single scene, while on mobile, the limit is 2. If you hit those caps or your file is too large, consider trimming the source or reducing its resolution before uploading. Next, enhance your design with animated stickers. Adobe Express includes a built-in library of GIF-style elements. Open Elements, choose Stickers, browse the options, and drop one into your layout. Once it's placed, you can fine-tune how it behaves by adjusting looping and duration. A quick tip here: use stickers to support your message, not overwhelm it. A few well-chosen animations usually look cleaner than a crowded scene. If you've uploaded a GIF and want to add messaging on top, overlay text right on the animation. Select text, then add your text and type your message. To keep the motion cohesive, apply animated text effects like a fade or slide that matches the energy of your GIF. Customize the font, color, and add a shadow or outline so the words stand out against busy frames. Check your placement near the start and end of the loop to avoid awkward cutoffs. Have a video clip you'd rather turn into a GIF? In Adobe Express, choose Video and then convert to GIF. Use the timeline controls to set your start and end points, and pick a layout and size that fits where you'll share it. Shorter loops usually look sharper and export faster, and square or vertical sizes can be great for social posts. When you're ready to share your creation, export it as a GIF. Click Download and choose GIF. Be aware of a few limitations. Animated GIF exports max out at 60 seconds, they don't include audio, and they don't support transparent backgrounds. Plan your design and timing with those constraints in mind. That's it. You've uploaded GIFs, layered animated stickers and text, converted video to GIF, and exported the final result right from Adobe Express.